Cutie English learn with us.
Present simple. The things we do every day. Swim. Swim. I swim every day. I swim every day. Run. Run. I run every day. I run every day. Walk. Walk. I walk every day. I walk every day. Play. Play. I play every day. I play every day. Eat. Eat. I eat every day. I eat every day. Drink. Drink. I drink every day. I drink every day. Read. Read. I read every day. I read every day. Write. Write. I write every day. I write every day. Dance. Dance. I dance every day. I dance every day. Paint. Paint. I paint every day. I paint every day.
Cutie English learn with us.